Math lesson number 11, factoring by grouping. When a polynomial has 4 or more terms, common factors can sometimes be used in factoring by grouping. Now, in factoring by grouping, the terms are grouped such that the common factor in a group is also the common factor in the other group. Let's have examples. Number 1. Factor x squared minus 2x plus xy minus 2y completely. In this case, there are 4 terms. So first, we group. This one is one group. This one is another group. And then after that, we get the common factor in this group, in which the common factor here is x. Now, the remaining factor after extracting x is x minus 2. So meaning to say, when we multiply this is the product. Next, this group. So the common monomial factor here is y, and the remaining factor is x minus 2. Meaning to say, when we multiply this, the result is this. Now, the common monomial factor between the two terms, this one and this one, is x minus 2. Now, after getting x minus 2, extracting x minus 2, what is left is x for this, and then y for this part. Now, this is plus, this is also plus. Therefore, the final answer, the factor of this is x minus 2 times x plus y. Number 2. Factor 2xy plus x squared y minus 6 minus 3x. First, we group 2xy and x squared y. So that's one group. Next, we group the remaining terms, negative 6 and negative 3x. Now, after extracting negative, writing parentheses, the result will be negative parenthesis 6 plus 3x. Meaning to say, when we distribute negative, negative times 6 is negative 6, negative times 3x is negative 3x. Next, we get the common monomial factor in the first group, and that's xy, because this one has xy and this one has also xy. Now, after extracting xy, the remaining factor now is 2 plus x. Okay, so meaning to say, when we multiply this, the result is this. Now, here, 6 and 3x, the common monomial factor is 3. So 6 has 3, or 6 is divisible by 3. 3x, of course, is divisible by 3. Now, after extracting 3, the remaining factor is 2 plus x. So as you can see, you have 2 plus x here. You have also 2 plus x here. So that's the common monomial factor between the two terms, this term and this one. Now, getting that, 2 plus x, extracting that, we have x minus y here, and then this is minus, minus, and then this is 3, 3. So the factor of this is 2 plus x times xy minus 3. Number 3. Factor 4xy minus wz plus 4xw minus yz completely. First, as you can see, if you're going to group 4xy and wz, there is no common factor. Therefore, we need to arrange this one in such a way that the first group has a common monomial factor. So 4xy will be grouped with 4xw. And then yz will be grouped with wz. Now, 4xy plus 4xw has a common monomial factor. That's why that's the first group. Yz plus wz has a common monomial factor. That's why that's the second group. So the common monomial factor in the first group is 4x. The remaining one is y plus w. So meaning to say, 4xy divided by 4x is y. 4xw divided by 4x is w. Next, the common monomial factor in the second group is z. So as you can see, there is z here and there's also z here. Now, the remaining factor after extracting z is y plus w. Now, as you can see, y plus w, y plus w. So y plus w is common to both terms. This term and this term. Now, extracting y plus w, the remaining factor is 4x minus, and then z. Therefore, the factor of this is y plus w times 4x minus z. Next, number 4. Factor x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus y squared. Now, if you're going to group x squared minus 4x, the common monomial factor is x. But if you're going to group 4 minus y squared, there is no common monomial factor. Therefore, we need to group this polynomial in this way. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 4, that's the first group. And then y squared will be the second group. Now, this one can be factored into x minus 2 squared because this is a perfect square trinomial. So, this one can be simplified now into x minus 2 squared minus y squared. Now, as you notice, this is a difference of two squares. So this one, first square, this is the second square. Wherein, in order to factor this, we need to do x minus 2 plus y. That's x minus 2. And then plus y, sum, and then difference. X minus 2 minus y. Again, x minus 2 plus y times x minus 2 minus y.